Good morning, this is the old mechanic. Today I'm going to show you how to measure the runout of a front fork stanchion. It's easy with the right tools. I'm going to show you how. Over here I made a setup with an already bent stanchion, front fork stanchion, and I'm going to show you what the runout is. So come over here and have a look at my setup. This is my milling machine, and it has this cross table. It can slide back and forward and left to right when I'm milling something. Over here there's the micrometer. It's set to 0. Zoom in and have a look. I start rolling it. Watch. Whoa. This is 1 mil. This is 2 millimeter, and this is a runout of over 2.5. So this is actually really bent. I already noticed it because I show you in a moment. So now it's away from the stanchion, so I can roll it faster. Watch. Perhaps with the lights on it's better. And now I'm gonna show you what triggered me. And there was this dent over here. It's where the over here you can see a slightly impress of the, not an impress, a mark of the lower fork bridge. You got here the lower one, here, over there, oh, just a moment, and over there the upper one. So here is where the handlebars are, and then over here I'm gonna zoom in for you. Wait a minute. So it's right there. So it's clear that this motorcycle back then, I got it for a few years already, and it hit something, a wall, a car in front of him, I don't know. Then we got 2 new stanchions and the bike was good to go. A tip: whenever you got leaking front fork seals and they were renewed not so long ago, then you have to be suspicious, because normally fork seals tend to leak during the lifetime of a motorcycle at least once. That's actually some even frequenter, but normally once, twice. But when you get a motorcycle and the forks leak, and it was done, let's say, a year before, then when you take the stanchions out to put new oil seals into them, always check your forks. In this case you even could see it. Put something straight along or roll it on a table. That's also good. You can see it. You don't need a micrometer for that. So, this was another video from the old mechanic, and I really hope you liked it. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say about it, you have some special knowledge, or just say hello, also good, please put it in the comments. And for now, Old Mechanic out.